Guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are talking about one of Instagram new update. You guys all know that Instagram has a newly updated feature which name is map location sharing on just Instagram notes. Just like here, I have turned off the location sharing, map location sharing. If you want interested to remove the map location or want to turn off the location on Instagram, then this tutorial is specially for you. Don't miss any part. Just open your Instagram app, then go to at the bottom right corner. Okay, then go to top right corner, three bars. Okay, after click here, you need to go a little down, and here you need to choose story, live, and location. Just click here. After clicking here, you need to click on the second option, location sharing Instagram map. Click here. Then after clicking here, you need to choose the last one, no one. Don't share location. All right, clicking on the last option, then you need to choose the third one until you turn it back on. Don't share location. How long would you like to turn off location sharing off? So you need to choose the third one until you turn this off. Just doing these simple steps, you can turn off the Instagram new update map location sharing. And I hope this short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.